Okay guys, I said I'll be showing us how to make use of signals, so that is what we are going to do in this video. So now if you open your MT5, these are what you will see, except you have chosen the currency pairs you want to focus on. So let's say that you receive signal on this pair, either USD or GBP USD. If you open this pair, this is what you will see, the chart. So this is what, if you receive a signal from somebody, meanwhile taking signals is not the best way to this industry. Some people do, I do receive DMs of people asking me, I want to deposit, how can I fund, I want to do this. Meanwhile, this person is barely a month or a few weeks into this industry. You want to make a very big mistake. If you will be able to trust me and do what I'm asking you to do, you will not make some mistakes most people made in this industry. So now, if you are taking signal is just maybe you want to raise up capitals, or you are maybe an advanced trader, you just want to, in fact, if you are taking signal from me or from any other person, first test it on your demo account before trying to fund or do any other thing. So now this is how, if you receive signal from somebody, this is what it will look like. Okay, say that someone wants to give you signal on this pair, either USD. Now the TP, this is what the person will give you, this is what you will receive. So if I come to my Telegram now, okay, say either USD, and the person said TP, and you will know what TP means. And the TP is, now this is, this is 1 hour time frame now. So let's put it in 4 hours. Now the TP is, say the person want the market. If I'm the person that is giving you this signal, this is what I'm going to do. Based on what I'm seeing in this market, say that I'm expecting the market to come here. So I will say that the TP is here, which is this 1.09672, 1.09672 TP, and we know what this means now. So, and will be here, which is 1.09045, 1.09045, and I sent this to you. Say this is what you receive. This is what we call signal. What are you going to do? Now, if you open once you receive it, one, you have to be fast. Not you receive signal by 1:30 and you are taking the trade by 12. No. Immediately you receive the signal, what are you going to do? You open the chart, you open the pair, which is this pair. Not if you the first thing you have to check is which pair do you receive the signal from. If you receive a signal on either USD, open it, come to chart, open the chart. Then you don't need to waste time here, except that maybe you want to analyze on your own. But if the person that is giving you this, if you don't want to waste the signal, so the first thing you're going to do is to come here. No, first consider your lot size, because some people, you will give them signal and maybe the person that gave them the signal is maybe a professional or an advanced trader. They will not consider their risk management and any of that. They'll be like, I trust this person, so he's sure banker and all that. The person will just risk all his accounts, and at the end of the day, the market will go against them. So the first thing here is to consider the lot size. I believe that we know what this means. Now consider here, if your account is maybe you have $100 capital, or $50 or 20 or 10, that means what you are going to use here, you don't have to use this amount. You don't have to use one standard. You don't have to use 0.5. No, if you are, maybe your account is $100, maybe let's say 0.02 or 0.01, depending. So being that this is a $100,000 account, mind you, this is a demo account for this practice. So if you come here, you consider this, then let's say you put, okay, let's do with 0.10. Now, being that the person said buy, this is supposed to be buy. It's supposed to be buy. This is supposed to be buy Euro USD. This is how the signal is supposed to come, buy Euro USD. It's supposed to be this. It's supposed to be this, buy. So being that the person said buy, so first thing you have to do is come to buy, touch the buy. Now you have seen it. Automatically we have bought this market. Now see it, just touching it. So now how do you put this TP and SL, because it's very important. So once you have, so then you have to come back again, touch this line here. If you touch it, this is what will come out. Then touch this TP, you touch the TP, you see this TP, then you have to take it to that number. Or if you don't want to do it by that, come here. See, the two ways to do that is, if you touch this, if you touch it, this will come out. Touch this TP, then come here. That is, you come here, you drag this CTP here, you see TP here, you drag it to that number. Which number? This number here, you see TP here, 1.09672. Then you drag this and take it to that number, then touch this one, SL, then do the same. Then after you come here, you see this up here, you touch it, it will come here, then you modify. Or if you don't want to do it by that, what you do is, if you come here, you touch this, then come to that. No, this is an active thread. Now come here, just drag it by this, you will see here like a pencil, then you touch it, then you see stop loss, you see take profit. Now those numbers, let's copy them here. Okay, now you copy the TP, come here and paste. If you touch it, another number will enter there, so make sure it's the one you copied. I hope it's the same thing. 6, yes. Then copy this one too. Come here. You see? Then after you touch this, you see it. Now you have set the TP. Now you see, you have set the SL and the TP. This is it here. This is the SL here. This is the SL here. This is the TP. So now we have taken this signal now. So if this market should come up here and touch your TP, the market will automatically close itself. It should come against you. This is what you are risking to make this profit. So this is how you make use of signals. Mind you, if you receive signal, make sure that you place the trade within the first 2, 3, 4 minutes you receive the signal. Not you receive somebody asks you to buy from here and you wait the market to move and come here, as in the market move from here to here, and you are not buying the market. No, you are just wasting the signal. So to avoid that mistake, if you receive a signal from somebody, check the position of the market before making any decision. So if you have any question, let me know. All right.